Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 22nd to 26th September 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So firstly, let's what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as we can see, in GBP USD 0.65% negative move, 1.34642 was the closing on Friday. So here I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good big upper wick and a medium body with a small or tiny, we can see a lower wick here currently, because this week was a overall event week or a news based week. So we can see a good wicks on forex market, even on crypto market. So currently now we are ready for the next week. Let's see and what could happen in coming week. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 34, which is indicating a bit of a positive move in GBP USD. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So let's open our 1-day chart over here. So here this is a 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel, because I make such a weekly analysis video every week and upload it. So do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. So let's now talk about support and resistance zone. Yes, so here we have already marked some important support and resistance zone, so we don't need to mark any support or resistance, because currently GBP USD is going, or the levels are only in the same range that we have marked on during our previous week analysis. So here let's talk about the closing first. So here we can see 1.1346642. Here direct support is 1.34312 and here direct resistance is 1.34667. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33805 and then 1.33394. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.35069 and then 1.35390. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels. So here, if you're thinking, or if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have shared 20% discount coupon code that will help you to get 20% discount on any challenges. So do consider or check that out. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this week. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range, that is 1.34667 to 1.35069. I'm expecting a closing in this range. Currently, if you're looking for any short trade, then we can go for a short trade. If 1.34312 gets breached on a 1-day candle and 1-day candle gets closed below this level, then we can go for a short trade till 1.33805. Until and unless we don't see a confirmation or a closing below this level, then don't look for any short trade. I'm expecting a positive move in this range overall. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.